So the new HD series just come in. Just gonna do an unboxing of it, show you guys the camera. So let's get this open. So that's the camera there. So there it is, it comes in this packaging. I thought it'd be coming in a box, but it comes in like a tube. There you go. So that's it. Get that in the Re Camera. Waterproof. It's by Htc. It's a new product they're venturing into, apart from the phones. So I'll put the specs in the comments, and you can see them next to the product there. So let's get this open and do a quick review of it and see what it's like, and I'll put some sample videos in. So got it open there. The camera itself was stuck in there. It took quite a bit of time getting out, but there it is. So that's the camera, and in the box what do we get? It's a charging cable. It's the charging cable there. And lanyard. That's the instruction manual. It's actually they've given me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 manuals, quick start guide, and it's in different languages. Why not just give me the one? Waste of paper. Nothing else in the box. And that you can use for your spare change if you've got any left. So that's the camera. I have to unscrew that. I've got it open, and that's the camera. It's shaped like a inhaler. But yeah, it's quite nice actually. It's not that heavy, but it's not that light either. You can feel the quality. It's plastic housing. That there is a button. I thought it was a touch thing, but it's a button, and I don't know if it's charged. Okay, it's charged. That's recording there. Don't know how that looks, but yeah, we'll do some sample videos. What's it trying to do? I don't think it's charged. See, that's a shit thing. There's no. Okay, that's recording. The LED in the front, it's saying it's recording, so I'll do some video. It's 1080p recording, and that's, I don't know if you can hear it, but there's a speaker and it tells you when you take pictures. It's taking pictures there. I don't know what they look. And that's pictures. And then you keep a hold of the button and it does a video, and there's a video. And there's no on or off button. Basically it's got a sensor inside when you pick it up, it comes on. It's quite nice actually. Let's take some sample videos and see what they're like. Peace.